Breaking news! Twitter, X users worldwide are facing major issues: apps crashing, DMs not sending, and login failures. If you're experiencing this, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you quick fixes to get Twitter running smoothly again. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last solution. It might surprise you. Right now, millions are struggling to access Twitter. Reports show app not working or crashing, DMs failing to send, search and trending topics disappearing, login and outage issues, but don't panic. Before you think it's just your phone, let's try these simple solutions. First up, clear cache and data. This can solve a lot of app glitches. Go to Settings. Apps, Twitter, X, Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache. If needed, clear data too. Next, update the app. Bug fixes are released regularly. Open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Check for updates and install the latest version. If that doesn't work, try Twitter Web. When the app fails, the web might work. Open twitter.com on your browser. Fourth, restart your device. A simple reboot can solve hidden issues. Also, check Twitter's server status. Are you alone, or is it a global issue? Visit Down Detector to see if Twitter is down worldwide. Number 6, reinstall the app. A fresh install can fix corrupted files. Uninstall Twitter, then reinstall it. Try a VPN. Twitter blocked? This trick might help. Use a VPN service to access Twitter from a different location. And finally, wait for an official fix. If all else fails, it's on Twitter's end. Twitter's tech team is likely working on it. Stay updated on their support page. Bonus tip: if your internet provider is causing trouble, like at _Hannah Experienced, keep contacting them across different platforms for faster resolutions. If Twitter isn't the only app giving you trouble, you might have a bigger phone issue. Watch this video to fix other social media problems. Comment below if these solutions worked for you or if you're still facing issues. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. #Twitter down, #Twitter not working, #X app crash.